Hello guys and welcome to You're from Canada, and today I received a parcel. I experimented with 100 Canadian dollars and I bought a pocket camera. We'll see a surprise. I don't know if it's good or not. Let's see it. Well, this pocket camera I decided to buy because it's either something okay or no good, but it's okay. It was under 100 Canadian dollars. That's why I bought for experiment. And I had DJI Pocket 3, which was stolen from my truck. And it's too expensive to replace with Pocket 4. It's $850 plus taxes. It's $1,000. So I said, okay, I'll try this one. Let's see what's inside the box. Carrying bag. This is the camera. A microphone with the connection. And this is the clip-on thing to put it somewhere, and some other bolts, nuts, connector from the I got 128 megabyte or gigabyte little USB-C, US, and a belt, and a little pocket instruction. And this looks like a remote control. See? Let's go try to plug it in and charge everything and see how it works. It looks like I didn't have to charge this, but I'm trying to set up. And the camera setup, it goes slow motion. And it got 3 settings. 1080 4x, 1080 2x, 720 4x. I'm not sure what's this, but I will experiment with that. It doesn't have much image rotation, Wi-Fi information, and all this stuff. Let's see. I just installed the SD card and see if I can do something about it. I just went to my function overview here and product overview and stuff, and I cannot figure out how to move the 270 degrees camera. Looks like it only moves right to left, but this is it. Up and down, and I don't know, long press, I guess. I have to go see if it works. See, long press on something here. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, now. But it's not like DJI, you know. This camera can be used only if I want to see yourself to move it. Let's see, I'll try to film this. It's not on now. Okay, how to make it on? Okay, by the way, let's just try this stuff. I know it's kind of awkward. Using 5K pocket cam from AliExpress. This is clip from it. Look at my mess. You can see some details here. And as much microphone as I'm just playing over video because I turned to external microphone and internal microphone is not on right now. But my idea was to show you the video quality. And it's 4K 30 clips per second. And at the moment, you see through the screen like this, then I open the doors and I will see a little bit better. Wait a minute, this is without the screen. I don't know, it's for you guys to judge. It's 4K, it says. It's not bad quality. And very bad in low light. Outside maybe okay. Well, you know, I don't know. I cannot connect the mic because of the USB-C connected at the bottom. Unless I hold this in my hand, then I connect it and I can use my DJI mic. Otherwise, I have no idea. I don't have any
use of it yet. We'll see.
Well, what I learned from now, you can only rotate camera before you start filming to the right, to the left, and it goes really fast. And I don't know what's the purpose for this. Maybe if you want to look at yourself, but I was still upside down. I'm not sure why. I'm looking upside down. Let's see if I can download my videos from this camera and see what this.
I was planning to use external microphone, that's why I'm just filming this, showing this, but I forgot to turn it on the internal microphone. And as you can see, the video quality is not the best, I can say that. And the room is a little bit darker, but you know what it is? I know, you'll see on the next clip.
Sorry guys, I'm sweating today here. It's not even that hot. That's why I'm no t-shirt. But this camera, that's a cute toy to say. Even they make shapes like, real pocket camera with gimbals and stuff, but the gimbal just rotates right and left. It doesn't really do anything good. Quality is more or less okay. I'm gonna make a video and show it to you. Insert inside the video the pictures and some videos. It films upside down, so on a computer I had to rotate it to 180 degrees, so it's like not upside down. And sorry for the mess in my room. I just, like when I came, just put everything there, so you can see some details. But it's okay. If you need this or not. This is what I'm telling you. Like, it looked like attractive. It says, oh, so fuck. What if I even lose $100? It's a nice thing to play with. So I guess that's what, I not sure if I'm gonna use it. Maybe sometime. And maybe play with it. You see, after playing for a little bit with the camera, it almost got discharged for about 30 minutes. And this is what it is. This head just moves on demand right, left. And there is no balance, no nothing. So I guess DJI asking more money, it's worth it. This one just a regular camera, but we'll see about the quality. Compared to my iPhone 17 Pro, I'm gonna download some videos and stuff, so thanks for joining. And you see what this 5K pocket cam looks like. Well, I'd like to share a few extra things that I just learned about when I use a connector. I was planning to use external microphone, that's why the sound was out. But I remembered my microphone is in the car inside the garage. So I used internal microphone in the last clip. But then I looked, if I connect USB-C connections under here, and if you put the stand screw in, you cannot use USB-C at all. So any chances using this camera very slim. I guess I just wasted $100 for nothing. Anybody want it? Send me a comment if you want this. I'll sell you just out of the package for $100 as is now.